A robotic pool cleaner genuinely gives you back your weekends, scrubbing your pool floor, walls, and waterline automatically while you relax. In 2026, they're smarter, cordless, and more powerful than ever. Whatever your pool and budget, I tested 5 of the best you can grab on Amazon right now. Let's get into it. New to Unbox Daily, we test the products that actually matter for your home and your life. Honest reviews, real testing, zero fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. New content drops every week and your weekends will thank you for sticking around. The Aiper Scuba 3 Ultra is the genuine best overall cordless pick, delivering powerful, thorough cleaning and total cordless freedom in a genuinely well-rounded robotic cleaner. The standout is the genuine cordless design combined with thorough full pool cleaning, which frees you from tangled cords and lets the robot scrub the floor, walls, and waterline completely untethered, a real advantage for effortless, hassle-free cleaning of your whole pool. The powerful suction and smart brushes genuinely lift dirt, leaves, sand, and debris for a sparkling clean pool. And the intelligent navigation maps and covers the entire pool efficiently with no missed spots. The strong battery life genuinely cleans large pools on a charge, and the automatic wall climbing and waterline scrubbing tackle genuine every surface. The easy clean filter and app control add genuine convenience, and the quality build reflects Aiper's reputation. For anyone who wants the genuine best overall cordless robotic cleaner with thorough full pool cleaning and total freedom, the Aiper Scuba 3 Ultra is the most well-rounded, most cordless freedom pick on this entire list. The Aiper Scuba 3 Ultra delivers powerful, thorough cordless cleaning across your whole pool, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today, the best all-round cordless cleaner. The Dreame Z1 Pro is the genuine, powerful smart navigation pick, delivering strong cleaning performance and intelligent mapping from a brand renowned for smart home cleaning tech. The standout is the genuine combination of powerful cleaning and advanced smart navigation, which uses intelligent sensors and mapping to methodically cover genuinely every inch of your pool, floor, walls, and waterline, while strong suction lifts debris thoroughly, a real advantage for a genuinely complete, efficient clean with no missed areas. Dreame brings its renowned smart cleaning expertise to the pool, and the Z1 Pro delivers with genuine precise path planning and obstacle handling. The cordless design frees you from tangles, and the strong battery cleans genuine large pools on a charge. The powerful brushes and suction tackle genuine dirt, leaves, and fine debris, and the app control lets you schedule and monitor cleaning. The wall climbing handles every surface and the quality build backs it. For anyone who wants a genuine, powerful cleaner with advanced smart navigation, the Dreame Z1 Pro is the most smart navigating, most methodical pick on this entire list. The Dreame Z1 Pro delivers powerful cleaning and advanced smart navigation for a complete, methodical clean. And the price in the description reflects that quality. Check the link below and grab it today. Smart, powerful pool cleaning. The Mammotion Spino E1 is the genuine value robotic pick, delivering capable automatic cleaning at a genuinely accessible price for pool owners who want robotic convenience without overspending. For anyone who wants a genuine, capable robotic pool cleaner without a premium price, the Spino E1 delivers real hands-off cleaning performance at a friendly cost, ideal for budget-conscious owners in smaller pools. The standout is the genuine, capable automatic cleaning at a value price, which scrubs your pool floor and surfaces automatically with good suction and brushing to lift dirt and debris, freeing you from manual cleaning at a genuinely accessible cost, a real value advantage. The cordless or easy setup design makes it genuinely simple to use, and the decent battery covers genuine typical pool sizes. The efficient cleaning path covers the pool well, and the easy clean filter makes maintenance simple. The reliable performance handles genuine, regular cleaning. Mammotion's reputation for outdoor robotics backs it. For budget-conscious owners who want a genuine, capable robotic pool cleaner at the best value, the Mammotion Spino E1 is the most value-forward, most accessible pick on this entire list. The Mammotion Spino E1 delivers capable, automatic robotic cleaning at a genuinely accessible price. And the deal in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Robotic cleaning, honest price. The WYBOT S2 Solar is the genuine solar-powered surface pick, a self-charging surface skimmer that uses the sun to continuously clear floating debris from your pool with genuinely zero effort or energy cost. The standout is the genuine solar-powered continuous surface skimming, which floats on your pool and uses solar energy to run all day, automatically collecting leaves, bugs, pollen, and floating debris from the surface before they sink, genuinely for free with no charging or electricity, a real advantage for effortless, eco-friendly, always-on surface cleaning. Unlike floor scrubbing robots, the S2 focuses on the genuine surface, keeping your water pristine and reducing your skimmer basket workload, and it works genuinely, continuously in the sun with no intervention. The autonomous navigation roams the surface efficiently, and the large debris basket holds genuine plenty before emptying. The eco-friendly solar operation costs genuinely nothing to run, and the easy maintenance backs it. For anyone who wants a genuine, effortless, solar-powered surface skimmer to keep the water pristine. The WYBOT S2 Solar is the most eco-friendly, most surface skimming pick on this entire list. The WYBOT S2 Solar continuously skims surface debris using free solar power with zero effort, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Effortless, solar-powered skimming. Closing out the list with the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra, the genuine premium AI flagship pick, delivering the most advanced, feature-packed, intelligent cleaning for those who want the absolute best. The standout is the genuine wealth of advanced AI features and multi-service capability, often combining genuine floor, wall, waterline, and even surface skimming in one machine, guided by sophisticated AI mapping and navigation for a genuinely comprehensive, intelligent, do-everything clean, a real advantage for anyone who wants the ultimate premium cleaner. The powerful cleaning genuinely scrubs every surface thoroughly with strong suction and smart brushes, and the advanced AI navigation maps your pool precisely for genuinely efficient, complete coverage. The cordless design frees you from tangles, and the strong battery cleans genuine large pools. The premium features like water clarification, app control, and smart scheduling add real luxury, and the genuinely premium build feels high-end. Beatbot's reputation for advanced pool robots backs it. For anyone who wants the genuine, most advanced premium AI flagship pool cleaner that does it all, the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra is the most premium, most feature-packed pick on this entire list. The Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra delivers the most advanced AI features and do-everything multi-surface cleaning. And the price in the description reflects that flagship quality. Check the link below and grab it today. The ultimate premium pool cleaner. Before we wrap, if this breakdown just helped you find the right pool cleaner, tap that subscribe button. 1 second of your time keeps us making honest, in-depth reviews every week. We genuinely appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because these deals move fast. If this helped you find the right pool cleaner, drop a like and subscribe to Unbox Daily for honest reviews every week. See you in the next one.